Okay, friends, so we're going to be doing some St. Patrick's Day art. You will need the white piece of paper, this black strip, and also some glue, scissors, and paint. So I'm going to first start by making my cauldron. So when you make your cauldron, we are going to trace it first so that we can make sure we're doing our very best job when we're cutting it out. So here's my black strip. I'm going to use a pencil, and I'm going to create the lip part. So the lip is the top of the cauldron, and it's kind of hard to see, so I can zoom it in for you. And then I'm going to make my rounded bottom. And if you need to look online at what some cauldrons look like, that's fine. But after you trace it, we're going to cut it out. And I can show you kind of how mine looks like when you're done, to see what a cauldron or a pot of gold looks like. And again, you can Google online with your family to see other images to help you know what you're going to draw. So we're going to cut it out like this. And then, oops. You're going to cut it out like this, and here's my cauldron. So the next thing is you're going to glue your cauldron onto the bottom left page. So like the bottom left corner right here. Okay, go ahead and grab your glue. I'm going to pause my video so I can glue it, and then I will show you when we're done. Okay, friends, I'm back. So I have glued on my cauldron. And now the next step is we are going to use our paint. So we're going to use our fingers as tools, and we are going to create finger dots of paint coming out of the cauldron. So the first color of the rainbow is red. So I'm going to dip my finger in, and I'm going to press finger down and pick up. So you don't need to add any more paint unless you're on your finger, unless you're noticing that you need to reapply some because it's not looking as bright. So you can definitely go back and add some more. So we are going to go up and around like this. So we're going to go up, 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 but keep curving it. So you see I'm running out of paint. So I probably need to go back and add some more paint to those dots so that it can look beautiful and vibrant. And then after you get about here, we're going to start curving down. Oops, I dropped some. So that's why you also want to be careful not to put too much paint on your fingers in case some extra drops off. So you're going to continue going all the way around, pressing finger down, picking up until we get to the bottom. Okay, now the next color we're going to use is orange. So you're going to wipe off your finger. You can pause and wash your hands, or just wipe it off the tissue like I did and jump into orange. That was way too much paint. Oops. So I'm going to come back to that one because I added way too much paint. There we go. And you're going to repeat this process with all of the colors of the rainbow. So you're going to do yellow next, and then green, and then blue, and then purple, all the way to the bottom. Now you can wash your hands off or use a tissue paper to clean your hands of the color so you don't have to keep running back and forth to the sink. Now we're going to do yellow. And then the next color, so remember, I spilled a little bit of red right there, but it's art. I'm not going to cry about it. It's just what happened. Okay, the next one is green. And then the next color, like I said, I'm going to wipe off my finger. Next color will be blue. And then my last color is going to be purple. There we go. Okay, so now I have all the colors of the rainbow using paint dots. So now what I'm going to do is this needs to dry, so I need to be very careful. So if you guys want to pause and let it dry, but the next step is to make little clovers using the green paint. So I'm going to dip my finger in the green, and I'm going to make little finger clovers like this. Make as many as you have room. And we're going to make them lucky clovers. So you're going to have 4 on each one. I want to read back and do those. Like that. And then you can add in more if you have room. And then the very next step is we are going to add glitter glue. So if you have glue at home you'd rather use, that's fine. Or glitter, I mean. But for this one, I gave you some glitter glue. So we're going to put some glue or glitter glue around our cauldron. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to gently use my finger and I'm going to kind of spread it around. Very good. And then, like I said, if you have regular glue at home, you'd rather use that or glitter, that's fine. But if you have glitter, you're going to put your glue first and then apply the glitter over. And then I'm just going to kind of add some specks like this. You can decorate it however you want. I want a little glitter on my pot of gold to show me that it's lucky. Okay, there we go. So there is your St. Patrick's Day art. If you want, you can use your pinky. Since Miss Fairbairn's hands are a little bit bigger, I'm going to use my pinky and maybe add another 4-leaf clover right there. I was trying to do like a little stem, so I might want to go back so you don't see that. And I really hope that you had fun making this. We're going to do another St. Patrick's Day art next week, but for now, here it is, and I hope you guys like it. Bye.